I'm Chef Stephen Putnam with Chartwells. Today we're going to be making a classic chicken parm, a basil pesto penne pasta, roasted zucchini and yellow squash. Some of the items are from the Pike Red Zone Food Pantry. Some of the items are from Eastbrook Elementary Community Garden. Let's get started. Now we've cooked our chicken breast to 165 degrees. Now we just need to top it with our sauce, our shredded mozzarella, and we're going to throw it back in the oven for about 5 minutes. Okay, now we're going to make our basil pesto, and I am using like a food processor, but you can use any kind of blender that you would like. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our parsley, add our basil leaves, Parmesan, 3 cloves of garlic. Today, I'm going to be using walnuts. In the recipe, and traditionally, it calls for pine nuts. Now we're going to add olive oil. Start with a little bit of salt and pepper. What I like to do is slowly add a little bit more olive oil until it's the consistency that I like. Now we have pesto. Now we need to take our finished pasta. We need to add our basil pesto. We need to cut our zucchini and summer squash. We're going to cut it into these little half moon shapes. We'll take all that, we're going to put it into a mixing bowl. A little olive oil. I have a baking pan here and I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put that on the pan, spread it out. Now we're going to throw it into our 400-degree oven. And this should be in there for about 12 minutes. And we have a full meal here. Classic chicken Parmesan, basil pesto penne pasta, roasted zucchini. Delicious.